Here 5 multiply by x, correct? So the other side, when we bring this 5 to other side, it will divide. Because here multiply, other side it will divide. When you bring this 5 to other side, it will divide. 10 over 5. So 10 over 5 equal 2. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Simple like this, all questions.
Yes, Mr. So easy. Yeah.
Question number 2. 3x equal 9.
X is mean 3, Mr.
When we bring this 3 to other side, it will divide 9 over 3. And 9 over 3 equal 3. Correct? Anyone have confusion? Tell me.
What?
If anyone have confusion, you can ask me. This 2 go to other side, 5 over 2. 5 over 2 in the
It
fractions.
will be 2, 4.
2 and a half.
2 and
2 and a half.
2 and half. 2 fraction 1 over 2. Okay, now question number 4. 7x
3, Mr.
equal 21. So this 7 go to other side
3.
and divide. 21 divided by
3.
7 equal
3, Mr.
Answer 3, Mr. 3. 3. Question number 5. 4. The answer.
16 over 4.
Equal 4, Mr.
4, 4, Mr. 4.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Now question number 6.
Number 6, Mr. is the 4 and half.
4c over
4 and
9.
half.
C is equals to 4. 9 over 4.
Oh, 9, Mr.
9 divided by 4.
It's 4.
2 fraction 1 over 4 fraction 1 over 2
Okay.
fraction 1 over 4. Okay. Any confusion?
Okay.
Is it clear for
No.
everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
It's so clear.
Yes,
When we bring this 3 to other side, it will divide. So this is simplest. This is already simplest. So 1 over 3 is the answer. Question number 8. 6z equal 18. 18 over 6. 18 divided by 6 equal
3.
3. Question number 9. Okay, what will be the answer?
It will be. Wait.
Question number 10. When we bring this 2, it will divide with 40. 40 divided by 2
It's
equal
20. 20.
Question 11.
It's 2.
14 over 7 equal
2.
3 over 6. 3 over 6. Simplest form?
2.
1
No,
over.
Mr. 1 over 2.
Question number 13.
Mr. But they did not say with the simplest form.
Huh?
They did not say with the simplest form.
If they do not say, you have to do it. When we bring this x to other side, 36 divided by 6 equal question number 14. 6 over 6 equal 1. Is it right?
Yeah.
Question number 15. 6x equal 1. So this 6 go down, 1 over 6 is the answer. Now question number 19.
Mr. Sorry, go up for
It's
question
9.
number 13.
We will upload it.
Okay, thanks.
It's 9, Mr.
3 go to other side and divide.
9.
Okay, now question number.
Multiply
Two.
by 2, Mr. 16. 2, the answer, Mr. 2. 2. 2, Mr. 2.
Okay, question number 22.
Mr. You do not do 21.
I know.
Mr. 1 and
Because this cannot be divided, so 6 over 5 is the answer. We can write this into the mixed number. 1 fraction 1 over 5. Last question.
it's 1 7 fraction 1. Mr. The last question is 24, not 23.
Okay, 24.
It's 1 over 7 or 7 fraction 1. Yeah.
1 over 7. 1 over 7.
Well, Mr. You take 18E today?